Now, don't get me wrong, the lace is doing what it should be doing, and the hairline is looking nice. But, honey, the worst thing that can happen to you is if you're laughing. Like, I'm a very expressive person. There have been times where I'm like laughing or joking, whatever, and I feel my wig like sliding back. Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I decided to grab this unit called Tupi, and this is because my girl Sonia Nolan Moon LF9WE was interested to get some details about this wig. So this is going to be from the Janet Melt collection. So this one is going to be available in 6 special colors. Like I told you guys, I got it in the color DR Wine. When it comes to the construction on this one, it is a 13x6 360 lace frontal. So you are going to get the 13x6 parting space that goes right in the perimeter of the front, and then you're also going to get lace in the back if you wanted to do an updo or anything like that, as well as your comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And this one does come with an adjustable elastic band. It does label this one as glueless, and I feel like it could be glueless if your head is on the smaller size, but let's just pop into that, honestly, you guys. So my head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference, and the cap size on this one is definitely on the smaller size. I wouldn't say it's to the point where I can't do anything with this unit, because I was able to get some styles going and stuff like that. But if your head is any bit bigger than mine, I would say probably stray away from this one, you guys. The cap is definitely giving snug like a bug in a rug. It is definitely on the tighter side for sure. So if you're liking this look and your head is a bit bigger than mine, I would probably say just skip it, because you'll probably be disappointed because it is tight, you guys. So let me just show you what I mean. You know, for some wigs, you get the lace that goes completely ear to ear. For this one, because the cap is on the tighter side, I wasn't necessarily able to get it to fully go ear to ear. This side, it goes ear to ear, but for this side, it doesn't really. I feel like it kind of blends in well just because with my natural edges and stuff, but the lace itself stops right up here, which I don't like. I like for my lace to be, you know, like covering. That's another thing I noticed too, you guys. So I had to re-record this review because I did go in and I did different styles and stuff, but after I did, I realized that my cap was showing. So I ended up having to actually push my cap back and then sit the wig where my cap usually would be, which I don't like, because I like to have my cap covering my, obviously my hairline and the front of my hair. And with this wig, I wasn't able to do that because you could straight up see the cap. So I had to go back in, I had to push the cap back to make it look more realistic, and wasn't a fan of that. So this is the DR Wine, like I said, and I really do like the color on this one, you guys. If you're someone who's not really a color girl, this is a good one because it's subtle. It's definitely not overwhelming, and I really like the fact that it's a mix of, like, you get your dark root for sure, and then you have these and then you have the red coming through, and it's a very dark red. It's closer to like a burgundy, if that makes sense. So if you're somebody who's not super comfortable with color, this one could be for you. Let me get into the length and the texture for you guys. Like, it is a lot of hair. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys. I'm 5'3" for reference. As you could see, it's coming below my boobs. So it is absolutely going to be a long unit. I would not say that this was an everyday unit. Maybe if you cut it down, but even then could be a bit of a problem. As far as the texture is great. It's definitely yucky, but I am getting tangling, I am getting shedding, and that's probably because a mix of the texture as well as the length. So that's just something to note, you guys. This one's going to be a tangler, it's going to be a shedder, especially when you're trying to get it into different styles. It wasn't necessarily like I was tussling with the hair, but every single time I did get into a style, I had to go back, get that brush, and just brush the hair back out because it was tangling and it was shedding. One of the good sides though about that is brushing it out, the curls do still remain. They were tighter out of the box, but I really do like this loose curl type of look, and I do like the fact that even with all the manipulation and stuff that I was doing, I was able to just brush it out and the curls did come back. But just something to note, you guys, yes, you're absolutely going to get tangling, yes, you're absolutely going to get shedding. The density is on the fuller side for sure. This is all the hair to the front. I want to say the density is probably closer to 180%, maybe like between 160 and 180%. And I feel like that's honestly really good, especially for longer hair, because, you know, longer hair, typically it will get thinner, but for Janet collection, they do tend to have thicker hair and more textured units. So that's something I do notice when it comes to them. So yeah, you guys, is gonna be a longer one. Like I said, it is gonna come with that 13x6 padding space, so you are gonna be able to customize it to your liking as far as different styles and everything. They do label it as being pre-plucked and it has baby hairs. As you can see, I did go in and do some swoopty swoops, especially because I wasn't feeling the fact that the lace didn't go ear to ear. So sometimes when that happens, I just feel like, let me slap some baby hairs on this and try to camouflage it to the best of my ability. So that's what I ended up doing. Honestly, I feel like the hairline on this one is nice. The baby hairs are nice. I like that extra touch. I liked it pretty much as it is. Now, as far as the hype on this one, I can see what the hype was about, of course, because you look at it, it is a very pretty unit. But I myself, do I agree with that hype? I think it depends, just because I feel like it's a beautiful unit if you're looking to throw this one on and go out and about, like you're going to an event or something like that. Like, this is absolutely going to be a special occasion unit, just based on the texture and based on the density. I feel like you can cut it down and probably get a decent amount of wears with it, but it doesn't necessarily strike me as one that's going to be, you know, holding up for a long period of time. Absolutely not. I feel like I can see the hype if this was, oh, I need a really cute unit to pop on and go out and be cute. I can see the hype for that, but other than that, it's not necessarily for me. And one of the main reasons is absolutely going to be just the cap size for me. So let me just pop into the cons and pros of this unit. Of course, some of my cons are going to be what I mentioned: the cap size, the tangling and shedding that I was getting. Wasn't a fan of that, and those are probably going to be the only cons that I have when it comes to this unit. As far as my pros, I feel like the curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I do love the texture. I do love the density. I love the hairline, the fact that it's pre-plucked and that you do get the baby hairs, the fact that you do have the 13x6 parting space. But is this one that I would get again? I don't think so. Even though I feel like the wig is beautiful, I think there are other ones out there that would suit me better for a special occasion unit. I feel like I could get this look with a more comfortable fitting cap. That's one of my key things when I'm looking for wigs. Like, number one, the cap size needs to fit my head comfortably, because I don't want to be dealing with, I'm having a conversation, I'm joking around or whatever, and my wig is sliding back. Like, because you know, nobody's going to tell you. If you're not around your people, they're not going to tell you. So you'll get home and realize, oh, my wig started here and now it's here. So that's not what I want. So I feel like if you're picking this one up with the intention of, I'm wearing it for a special occasion, like not setting the bar ridiculously high, if that makes sense. If you're just looking for like a beautiful unit that's long, that's thick, that's yaki, that has a nice hairline, nice baby hairs, and your head is on the smaller size, I feel like you won't be disappointed getting this one. But if you're getting this one with the intention of wearing it like consistently, like daily, even cutting it down, I just feel like it won't be for you and you'll be disappointed, especially if your head is on the larger size. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, then make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.